Thank you. Say thank you, Auntie.
Yeah. Or you can do a straight. No. The bottles are not yours, so there is no chocolates coming out. Yes, so shall we call it here? Come at the end. I'll get chocolates. I don't have any. So make sure I call it here.
Let's go.
Kannada.
Come on.
Is Oklahoma in Canada or US? Oklahoma. Oh. Come. I am always 2 steps ahead. That's crazy.
No chocolate?
But you're not asking Anlo. You only eating lollipop. It's not good. Adro, only you eating. Adro, go and run. Go, Adro, follow. Hold. Come on.
Goodie bag.
Not worry, only okay.
Happy Diwali.
Come, baby, come, bring. Bring Amira.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Bye.
Happy Diwali. No, baby. For baby.
Happy Diwali
For auntie here, no finish. Adro, for auntie finish. Thank you. You didn't say Happy Diwali, auntie.
Happy Diwali.
Finish. Okay. Bye.
Happy Diwali.
Let's go. Nakakatuwa sila guys. For Adro. Wow. Adro, come. Cake's coming. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amira baby. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, baby. Mom.
Okay.
Alice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Now give this to Arus. Come here. Abdullah. Abdullah,
Wow,
give this to
this can be one.
Arus. Hasan भैया. Give this to Angela.
No, I want to me. Give me the fun. I got it. Mine. You are very much fun. No, I want two. Me too. I want two balloons.
Leon, one more balloon.
Me. Me. I didn't got a chance. I didn't got a chance.
इसको दो ना.
No, no. Can I do one? No.
No, guys. No. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Moment, No, Haya. Leon, no.
Want more?
Okay, that is Hasan.
I don't do anything.
Nobody is going to my home. Hello, baby. Say hi. Wow.
Sana napunta na yung Vanya where? Vanya! Just walk with them. Yeah, tingnan mo. Buutan. Wow, buutan mo dahil na yung panganay ga. Oh. Okay. Noong una, dinala niya sa loob katong maliit. Tas ayaw. Yung pala, gusto pala sa akin. Lumapit sa akin. Tas hinubad ko yung panty at saka tas umihi siya, no? Tapos alam mo ba, pagkayari niya, inaabot niya yung spray. Parang si Adro, guys. Parang si Adro ga. Adro, wait! Adro! Inabot niya yung spray. Ayaw niya tumayo hanggang di mo hugasan ng bisong niya. Sabi ko ba, ito na siguro to ni, tinuruan siguro ni Miley ito ba? Yala, Vanya. Napakamaalaga ni Vanya, oh. Inayos niya talaga ang tipan ni kapatid niya, tapos inayos. Sabi ko, ayusin mo ka ako properly. Sinugasan niya ng maayos, tapos sinugasan ng maayos ang kamay, pinatuyo ng maayos. Buutan man di mo. Buutan man di nga ati ka. Ang libang lang ko dili, sabi ko ayaw dili na ta kay ayaw ko makita pagmumuha nung apat dito gyatay. All pink. Okay, Adro, let's fix together. Should I help to put in? Should I help to put in there?
You're in charge of all of the balls that is on the floor all the way to his hole, but not in the box. Some of them don't have a tie, I think.
Okay. To sit onto the floor. Okay, let me do. Help.
Okay.
Pink.
Okay.
Your daddy.
I've done my work now.
You can go and talk to your tama first. Your daddy's calling.
Put it all of this on the floor. I want.
baby Christmas tree. Oh my God, Adro, your feet is so cold. Adro, go and wear your slipper.
Okay.
So nice. Wow. I need to make it straight. Straight like this. Okay. Oh, straight now. Yeah. Oh my God.
Ball back. Here.
Put here. Put the another one in the back.
I will put it here.
Why you remove the too small there? See, it's empty now. Why you remove?
It's enough. Look.
You need to put first this too small before you put the star. Remove the star first.
So I can do it.
Hmm. Dang, dang, pink, pink, pink. So nice color. Nice, nice, nice. We will put also the stars now in mommy. Ah, so beautiful color, so colorful. Now mommy's. Ang decoration ni Adro. Adri. Okay na talaga siya, guys. Ready to eat na talaga siya, guys. Thank you so much. So, hanggang dito na lang. Tapos na. Nakaraos na naman tayo. Salamat po, mga admin. Thank you so much sa aking mga ka-team. Sa mga walang sawang nakatambay. At kahit mga busy tayo lahat, singit-singit ang pag-ating YT para hindi maano, ayan. So, nakapagluto na rin, nakayari na rin ako kahit ang aking alaga ay nandito. So, bye everyone. Thank you so much. God bless, guys. So, thank you. Mama. God bless. Babush! O, si bye-bye pa pala kay Adro. Hi, baby! Si bye! Si bye-bye! Okay, bye-bye na. We love you, the baby.
It's raining.
Okay, copyright tayo. Bye! Si bye-bye. Si bye, everyone. Si bye-bye, Adro.
It's raining. She's going.
Okay, no more, Adro. Even Adro, no more. Bye-bye, everyone. Si bye-bye.
No, get subscribe.
Oh.
If you think she's wrong,
Oh.
who subscribe? Yeah, actually,
O, di ba? Nagpa-subscribe pa siya. Subscribe niyo daw yung aming YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. Love you all, mama.